Danny. Oh my god, there's a fucking cat, dude.
Yo, look at that. Is that baby deer? Yeah. It's a deer.
He just ran over it, didn't he?
Who ran over it?
He ran over it.
I don't know if it is or not. I heard it crying. Where was it? Where'd you find it at?
Right here.
Like in the ruts? Dude, someone run it over. I might have hit it. Is it field?
That thing is so small.
I think it might be long.
So sometimes they just lay there though.